How to use Cash App Afterpay on DoorDash. In this video, I will show you how to link and use Cash App's Afterpay feature when placing an order on DoorDash. So make sure to like and subscribe. Step 1. Open your DoorDash app and go to your cart with the items that you want to purchase. Step 2. At the checkout, choose the payment method section. And then step 3. Open your Cash App and make sure that your Afterpay option is active under the Buy Now, Pay Later settings. Step 4. If your Afterpay card is active in Cash App, it will be usable as a virtual card. Tap Add Payment on your DoorDash and then enter the Afterpay card details from your Cash App. Step 5. Complete your purchase. Your payment will be split into installments via Afterpay, and DoorDash will process your order as usual. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.